Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2021 Honda Ridgeline Sport. We wanted to try one of these for a while. Finally got the chance to get behind the wheel of one. This one's in great shape. A little over 11,000 miles, 11,538 as we speak. Very, very nice. You have armrests that come down, storage cubby. Obviously based on the same platform as the Pilot. Is it in here? It is. I knew the owner gave it to me. Or previous owner, I should say. Yep, so it's a 3.5 VTEC V6, made it to the 9-speed automatic. Electric power steering. That's come to be expected. 38,106. That's not bad for a sticker price. That's not bad at all. 280 horsepower from that 3.5 V6. Which, when it does cross over into VTEC, sounds awesome. And that changeover occurs at 5,500 RPM. One thing to note right off the bat, this does not ride like a truck. It rides very, very much like a Pilot. It's a compliment for this class of truck. This is what the Avalanche could have been. They could have been good, but they weren't. This is perfect, and that's why Honda has really kind of pioneered the car truck segment. I mean, now Ford has the Maverick, but that's still a dedicated truck, whereas this is essentially a Pilot with a bed. So I mean, I don't know what this is. Oh, there's a school in there. I never knew there was a school there. But I'll put it to you this way. So, let's say Tacoma. That's on its own separate platform, and it doesn't drive like anything else in the Toyota lineup. Let's say Ford Ranger. Same thing. Ford Maverick. Same thing. This one is, from sitting here, you feel like you're driving a Pilot. It's not until you look in the mirror or you look at the front end of it or anything like that that you would know. And for people who buy this kind of vehicle, that's perfect. This is supposed to be your all-around vehicle, and this is perfect for that. You're going to have your luxury features and drives like a car, but you have all the utility of a truck without sacrificing anything. Press drive. The button here is D/S. Press it again. It puts you into your sport mode. Ow. Oh, that changeover sounds awesome. You can 100% feel the difference. You can hear it too. Honestly though, I'm very impressed with this thing. I really am. I've been wanting to try the refreshed Ridgeline for a while. I've driven the previous, I think it was like a 2018 or 2017, around there, I don't know. I've driven so many cars I can't remember all of them. And I was really impressed with it. I was like, this is perfect. Like if you're thinking about a truck, but you're like, I don't have space for a nice vehicle to like do road trips in, this is perfect. You don't need a second car. Whereas some trucks, like your heavy duty Sierras and stuff like that, they beat you up if you try to drive them for too long. This one, you can drive it cross country and be perfectly comfortable. You know, this guy's light's been green for a while. I don't think he has any clue. He's just staring at his phone. There you go. Keep off the phone, people. Just do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.